Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today. I mean, short reading lang for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So, anong meron? Message from your person and from universe. Tignan natin kung anong message nila sa'yo ng iyong person. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. So, kuha tayo ng 2 cards, diba? So, tignan natin kung may message ba or ano ang message ng iyong person na kadil mo, right? So, yeah, may lumabas din naman. Ano ba to? So, you have this sex workers fund and then it's my fault. So, yeah, merong tao ditong nagsisisi regarding sa nagawa niya or nagawa niya na kasalanan sa'yo. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. So, may nagsisisi ditong tao. Take what's resonate. Kayo lang nakakaalam nito. Ito yung ginawa niya, 'di ba? Na nalaman mo. So, ngayon, sinasabi niya, it's my fault. So, may pagsisisi dito. Fire signs. So, kayo ang nakakaalam yan kung saan kayo rito. Pwedeng kayo rin to na ginawa niyo sa person niyo, fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sag, or maybe person niyo, vice versa, right? So, that's it. Ito yung message sa'yo ng iyong person or ikaw, message mo sa iyong person, right? So, let's see anong message naman from universe para sa ating mga fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. So, let's see. Let's take 2 cards then for your message from universe. So, what is this? So, yeah, success is on its way. And, oh, yeah, di ba? God is with you. So, tingnan mo, di ba? Napakabait ni God, di ba? Galing ka sa isang, I think, yung message sa'yo ng person mo, di ba, is napakasakit yun for you, no? Ayun yung nalaman mo, no? But then, success is on your way, di ba? And God is with you. Right? So, ito, tinutulungan ka ni God makabangon again. So, for some of you, maybe you are in a depression right now. Baka may nangyaring hindi maganda, something like that. Or, yeah, because of your person then, maybe, di ba? So, yun. Huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. God is with you daw. Because sure God is with you all the time, di ba? Right? So, huwag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa. Have faith lang, mga fire signs, di ba? Magdasal lang palagi at malalagpasan niyo rin lahat ng problema. So, yeah, that's it. Mga fire signs natin dyan. So, lakasan niyo lang yung loob mo, di ba? Napakalakas mo kay God, di ba? God is with you, right? So, that's it. So, thank you for watching Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. So, see you again sa next reading natin. Like and subscribe sa ating channel. So, that's it. Yeah, so, God is with you, right? So, good luck sa inyo, Fire Signs. And yeah, see you again. And thank you.